this afternoon will be the last, the culmination and the awarding of their the staffs, their position for the upcoming school year 2013. So, thank you very much for giving the support, financially, morally support for yourselves. Not only for me, the support of the Scoutmaster, wherever we are in the camp, you inyong may pagkaran sa the school, mga staff, thank you ma'am. So this afternoon, I will welcome you all for our this is the first time, Marades, am I correct? This is the first time the University of Visayas Scouting Unit for having a formal induction of new sets of officers for this coming school year. Thank you, and I hope you will like it.
And now let us have our awarding ceremony. Madam, sir.
Video mo.
With your parents.
For the new Corps Commander, Scout Elasio Ruedas II. A round of applause. For Staff 1, Adjutant, Scout James Anjutan. A round of applause. For Staff 2, Intelligence, Scout Ralph Canso. A round of applause, please. For the Staff 3, Trainer, Scout Jurel Siwai. A round of applause. For Staff 5, Scout Enrique Magdat. A round of applause, please. certificate of completion to the following scouts for having actively completed the BSP Summer Training 2012 held at University of Visayas, BSP headquarters on April 10 to 27, 2012 with the theme Living the Legacy of Mr. Angelo Vega. Scout Lasho Aradas, the second. Scout James Andrew Tan. Scout Ralph Ganso. Scout Junriel CY. Scout Enrique Bagdata. And Scout Timothy O. Wado. Scout Mark Warren J. Tumishon. And for myself, without friends. And also for the participation for his valuable service rendered to the Barangay Tabunan residents held at Barangay Tabunan, Cebu City on April 20, 2012 during their community service program. Signed by Scouter President S. Flores, Outfit Advisor, Scouter Ronald G. Navarro, DSP District Coordinator, North 66, Dr. Philadelphia Evistan, Principal, UV Scanner Department. The following scouts are Scout Delashars Rendas II, Scout Ralph Ganso, James Andrew Tan, Junriel CY, Enrique Bagdata, and also for myself.
Okay, we have